Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So someone sent me a video a while back on hydro dipping, and I thought I would go ahead and try it. It seemed like a lot of fun. So I have, these are valspar paint and primer in one, some satin, some gloss. Those are just different ones. I'm using some couple blues, a green, and a pink. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray, this is just a plastic tub with water. So I'm going to spray it on there, and then I'm going to take a canvas and I'm going to dip it. And we're going to see if we can make something really cool. I think it'll be kind of a similar effect to poured paint. I am going to put a mask on because I am indoors. So I won't be talking during this part. But yeah, I'm basically just going to go ahead and spray this. I have some toothpicks here in case I feel so inclined to like kind of try to make a design. We shall see. Here we go. Look at that. So friggin' cool. I did have a couple spots here for whatever reason. And then you can see literally exactly how deep I dipped it up to. So I think this is super cool. When I did put the toothpick in there to move it, it did kind of almost pull it off the top. Which is why I got this kind of clumping over on this corner here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually try this one more time. I'm so happy with how this came out though, even with those spots. I think it's awesome. I'm going to grab another canvas and try this one more time to see if I can get full coverage. And yeah, I'm not going to take the toothpick and move around at all this time. So we'll see what that does. All right, so once again, I'm going to put my mask on and we'll go ahead and spray. All right, here's this one. So on this one, I tried to spray like in the middle and basically do the concept of a puddle pour. So look how cool that is. I still got some spots over here. So I'm gonna have to play around with this technique a little bit. I think I need to just add more spray paint, honestly, because it's pulling it for the sides and everything. So I think I need to just add more spray paint. But overall, super awesome. Super easy technique. Definitely more videos coming up on this soon. I'm going to get a bit of a bigger bucket and probably some more colors. And I also recommend doing it outside if you can. For the purpose of the video, I did it inside. I do have ventilation in here and I did wear my mask. But yeah, definitely best to do it outside, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. Try it out if you haven't. Super easy. I can imagine this would be a great project to do with kids, you know, just for fun. You could dip pretty much anything. Yeah, so more videos coming up on that soon, and I'll see you next time.